Nein. Ja, pass auf, wenn, ja, also wenn du abbiegst, ja, you turn, take the right line. If you take the left lane, then stay in the left line.
Okay.
Ja? Also es ist ja nicht verkehrt. Nur bleibe bitte in deinem Fahrstreifen. Stay in your line. Ja? So, you have to close on right. Ja, zu schnell fährt man manchmal, oder? Ja, kommt vor. So. Stay in your line. Like this, no? Look far. Not a problem, no? So, the next we turn right. An der Ampel rechts abbiegen. On Alarm we turn right. Ja, exactly, ne? Don't stop by green, please, ja? Also manche machen das hier mit dem grünen Blechpfeil auch, ne? Und bleiben dann stehen bei grün, ja? Stop by green then, ne?
Stop by green.
Please, stop by red. So, and now, what can you do?
10 seconds, but it's stop or I can
Decide what you do.
because I see the one car.
10 seconds, stop the bus, no? But decide, yeah? Is place enough, you can overtake. Is not place enough, then not.
I
No?
cannot
Because
see.
here is a solid line, no? Okay? Durchgezogene Linie. So im Bus steht immer so 10 Sekunden. Also lohnt in der Regel nicht, den Bus zu überholen.